Hello, my name is Katrin. I'm Product Manager for Industrial Vacuum Cleaners at Karcher. Today, I'm going to present the Industrial Vacuum Compact Class IVC. This range comprises two basic units with 8 variants. The single-phase industrial vacuum cleaners like IVC 60-24-2 Tech 2 and the three-phase industrial vacuum cleaners like IVC 60-30 AP. All IVCs are equipped with a stainless steel body. With their robust chassis made of powder-coated steel, they are ideally equipped for the hard industrial use. The exhaust air from the IVC is filtered through a flat pleated filter of dust class M. The flat pleats mean that an ideal filter area can be achieved with a minimum construction height. This allows us to accommodate a cyclone within the machine. To ensure that the filter remains in operation for as long as possible, the IVCs are fitted with either automatic or manual filter cleaning. In case of the automatic filter cleaning system, Tech 2, a targeted airstream is blown against the flat pleated filter. The airstream loosens the affixed particles, causing them to fall into the collection container. The even tapping means that the filter is cleaned regularly. In case of manual filter cleaning, a stripper is passed across the filter surface. After 2 to 3 strong strokes, the filter is once again clean and the vacuum cleaner operates with full suction force. To change the filter, no tools are required. It can be completed in just a few steps at a comfortable height. The IVC can be used for both wet and dry cleaning. To vacuum liquids, switch to 1. Once full capacity is reached, a thermal probe automatically switches off the vacuum cleaner. The accessory storage ensures a neat and cleanly handling. Residual liquids in the hose are cleanly caught. After cleaning, the full container is removed and emptied in just a few steps. Loosen the placement mechanism on the push handle. Putting pressure on the handle will cause the full container to be left to the ground and pushed along on its casters to be emptied. The IVC is as suited to liquids and solids as it is to fine dust particles and coarse dirt. It can be used to vacuum extremely hot and extremely cold materials, as well as acids and alkalis. There is a wide range of accessories. For example, there are hoses in 4 different materials available. PVC for common dust particles and light dust. Flexible PU hose for hard-to-access areas, the PU hose for liquids, and the metal hose for sharp, coarse and heavily abrasive materials. Compact, robust and powerful. The Industrial Vacuum Compact Class is your reliable partner for an efficient production process.